Hello. Today's video is going to be my January 2020 Boxycharm unboxing. New year, new Boxycharm. Super excited. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is the best monthly subscription service you can get. It's amazing. I will have all the details down below. I will also link my Boxycharm playlist. Okay, so the theme for this month is breaking the ice. First thing in the box is a mascara. This is from Grande Cosmetics. This is the Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with Castor Oil. Okay. I know castor oil is what some pregnant women foolishly ingest to put themselves into labor. I know it makes you shit your brains out. Do not drink castor oil if you're pregnant. Like, it's, nope, don't do it. So, yeah, the fact that this has castor oil in it, interesting. It retails for $25, which is pricey in my opinion for a mascara. I am a mascara connoisseur. I've tried so many mascaras. So yeah, $25 for mascaras is pricey. It is the hottest secret weapon for lashes that command attention. It's a thickening mascara with castor oil. It's no flake, intense black formula, works while you wear it, creating unrivaled thickness through the key ingredient castor oil. It smells like mascara. I like the wand. I have a couple of mascaras that have this type of wand and I really, really like it. So yeah, I'm definitely intrigued. I will definitely let you guys know what I think about this. We have something from Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I've actually wanted to try this for a little while. This retails for $22. It is a bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that smooths and perfects skin overnight. This pillow-proof formula acts as a radiance-boosting face mask formulated with soothing amino acids, rich watermelon extract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and pore-refining AHAs that work while you sleep to gently exfoliate and clarify. Okay, next we have something from Too Faced. This is the Diamond Fire Highlighter. Yeah, Diamond Light Highlighter retails for $36. It's a one-of-a-kind highlighter infused with real crushed diamond powder and light reflecting pearls for a brilliant fancy pink diamond glow that will have you on planet shimmer. Okay, let's check this out. Oh, it's a box. It's a box. The box. How do you open this? How do you do this? What do you do? How do you do? How do you? Oh, it's taped. Oh, look at this. Isn't this a little fancy dancy? It's your time to shine. I almost said fancy Nancy. I have children that, what the hell is this is disappointing. I was gonna say I have children, that's why I said fancy Nancy. It's a show. But that's very disappointing. Like, what? I don't know how this happened. Like, what is going on right now? Do you guys see this? Like, what the hell? So that's frustrating. That sucks. Okay, moving on, we have something from Wander Beauty. This is the Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo. This retails for $36. Prepare for the perfect getaway with a trip for two. The soft matte blush and bronzer cheek duo blends seamlessly onto skin to deliver a naturally glowing complexion. All right, let's check this out. So I don't wear blush. And, you know, I don't really wear bronzer either. But, you know, we'll see what it looks like. I'm really bummed about that highlighter. Ooh, that's dark and that's pink. Yeah, I probably will not use those. But this is great for someone that does like blush and bronzer. So I probably will be giving this away to someone. Okay, last thing in the box is a palette from Ace Beauty, however you say it. This is the Scarlet Dusk palette. Retails for $34.99. I actually just threw away my other Ace Beauty, whatever it's called. I actually just threw away that other palette. Not threw it away, I gave it away because I did like a big makeup purge. Okay, so these colors are pretty, but I can tell you, like this row right here, yeah, I'm not gonna use. But I will use the other colors. So my thoughts on the box, this palette I will use. Like I said, you know, that row of colors I won't use, but the others. Like there's like 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 colors. 8 out of the 12 I will use. So that's good. This Wander Beauty blush and bronzer duo I'm gonna give away because I just don't wear blush and bronzer. I just don't wear it. I'm really disappointed with this guy. Like I don't even know how, I can't even figure out how it was supposed to be. Like, hold on, what is this first of all? What does this do? Is this supposed to like open it? I can't even figure out how this was supposed to be in this package. Like, cause it's, I don't know, like what happened here, guys? What happened? What's going on? What happened? This looks like it's super pretty though. It is super pretty. I'm gonna reach out to Boxycharm because that happened to me with, I think it was an eyeshadow palette, and they sent me another palette. So I'm gonna reach out to them and tell them about this. I'm gonna direct them to this video. I'm definitely excited for this Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask. Like I said, it's been on my list of things to try. It's been in my Sephora cart for a little while now, so I'm excited to finally get my hands on it. And then this mascara with castor oil, really intrigued to try this. I feel like I don't know. I feel like I've tried a mascara with castor oil. I have to look back at my Mascara Monday episodes and see, because like now that I'm like thinking about it, like I said, it sounds familiar that there was mascara with castor oil in it, because I feel like I made the same jokes. So that's it for my January 2020 Boxycharm box unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will have a link to Boxycharm down below if you want to sign up. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.